Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I'm gonna show you here materials calculation of M20 grade of concrete. Many students they were asking about this topic, that how we can calculate the quantity of material in M20 grade of concrete. Okay, so many students they subscribe our channel and they don't get notification about any video. Okay, so this is the new policy of YouTube. If you subscribe our channel and you did not click on the bell icon, then you are not able to get notification about any video. Okay, so must click the bell icon if you subscribe and you don't get notification. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. Let's start. So grade of concrete we have here M20, because we have to find out the material calculation for M20 grade of concrete. So M stands for mix and 20 is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete after 28 days. Okay, so 20 means 20 Newton per mm square is the compressive strength of concrete after 28 days. Okay, if you need the article about this video in text form, okay, so the link is in the description of this video. Okay, then click on that and you can read the article. Okay, and the website name is www.civilstudents.com. okay, let's start. So we know that M20, okay, M20 is the grade of concrete which ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. Okay, 1 is cement and 1.5 is sand and 3 is crush or aggregate. Okay, so this is the ratio. Now assume that we will find the materials calculation for 1 cubic meter. Okay, suppose I have to find out the material in 1 cubic meter for M20 grade of concrete. Okay, so 1 cubic meter, we know that dry volume. Okay, first of all this is the 1 cubic meter which is wet volume. Okay, this is the wet volume. So wet volume we have to change it to dry volume because we will bring the dry material for concrete work or for construction work. So dry volume is equal wet volume multiply 1.54 to 1.57 times wet volume of concrete. So this is the formula to find the dry volume. So sum of ratio for M20. Okay, so this is M20 which ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. Okay, so M20 is equal 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Okay, is equal 5.5 is a sum of ratio for M20 grade of concrete. Okay, now change 1 cubic meter volume to dry volume. So this is the 1 cubic meter, okay, in which I have to find out the material. Okay, so now convert it to the dry volume. So what will be the dry volume? So wet volume multiply 1.57, because I have already told you that wet volume multiply 1.54 to 1.57 times wet volume of concrete. So multiply 1.57. Okay, so formula wet volume multiply 1.57. So wet volume is already 1 cubic meter, which is this one. Okay, 1 multiply 1.54. So total volume or dry volume for M20 grade of concrete is here 1.57 cubic meter. Okay, let's find the quantity of sand. Now find the volume of cement. So cement volume 1 divided by 5.5. So 1 is the here 1. Okay, this one is a cement. Okay, and 5.5 is the sum of ratio here, this one 5.5. Okay, so 1 divided by 5.5 multiply 1.57. Okay, what is 1.57? 1.57 is the what? Dry volume. Okay, here now change 1 cubic meter volume to dry volume. Okay, so formula wet volume multiply 1.57. So our volume is 1.57. So therefore I multiply with 1.57. Okay, so when you do the calculation by calculator here, so it will give you 0.285 meter cube. Okay, now volume of sand in kg. So this is the volume, multiply. So volume of, we need here I have to find out the kg. Okay, cement in kg. Okay, so this is the volume, 0.285, this 1 cubic meter, multiply 1440. Okay, it will give us 411 kg. So what is 1440? Okay, where 1440 kg is the density of the cement. Okay, 1440 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is the density of cement, so it will give us 411 kg. Okay, cement. Now numbers of cement bag we required. Okay, so 411 kg cement are required for 1.57 okay meter cube. So 411 divided by 50. Okay, so it will give us 8 numbers of bag. So what is 50? Where 50 kg is the weight of one cement bag. Okay, or one bag cement. So cement bag is equal 50 kg. So therefore total kg divided by 50, one bag weight. Okay, so it will give us 8 numbers of bag. The other one we have here, volume of sand. Okay, so sand 1.5. So why? Because this is in ratio. Okay, so sand is 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 5.5, 5.5 is the sum of the ratio, this one. Okay, multiply 1.57, this one. Okay, in which I have to find out the materials. So it will give us 0.471 meter cube. Now we require to find out the volume of crush. Okay, so crush volume is equal 3 divided by 5.5. 3 is the aggregate ratio here. Okay, and 5.5 is the sum of ratio. Multiply 1.57 is equal 0.856 meter cube. Okay, so these are the calculation to find out the quantity of material in M20 grade of concrete for 1 cubic meter. For more videos, you must like this video and subscribe this channel. And if you need the article and text form, so the link is in the description of this video. Thank you. All the best. Bye.